Let's see what is rate constant and what are all its units. You know that for general reaction, that is A moles of A plus B moles of B gives C moles of C plus D moles of D. For this reaction we can write rate law as rate equal to K, that is rate constant, into concentration of reactant A, concentration of reactant A to the power X into concentration of reactant B to the power Y. Now that rate constant, that is K, equal to, take this whole term this side, then rate divided by concentration of A to the power X into concentration of B to the power Y. See, when concentration of A and B becomes equal to 1, then 1 to the power X into 1 to the power Y. 1 to the power X into 1 to the power Y equal to 1, because any number, no, 1 to the power any number will be always equal to 1. So K equal to rate when concentration of A and concentration of B are unit, because 1 to the power X is also equal to 1 and 1 to the power Y is also equal to 1, because 1 to the power any number is equal to 1. Rate by 1 is rate only. See, rate constant equal to, now, rate. So what is rate constant? Rate constant is the rate of the reaction, rate or speed of the reaction when concentration of the reactions are equal to unity. See, its unit of rate constant will be different for different order of reaction. Let's see them one by one. Let's see what will be the unit of rate constant for zero order reaction. We know that for zero order reaction, rate law can be written as rate equal to rate constant, that is K into concentration of A to the power 0. See, here concentration of A to the power 0 is 1, because any number to the power 0 equal to 1. So now rate equal to K, rate equal to K, that is K equal to rate. Now whatever will be the unit of rate, that unit will also equal to unit of rate constant. Let try to find out unit of rate. You know that rate is nothing but change in concentration divided by time taken. Now if you express this concentration in molarity, its unit will be mole per liter, and time in second, then see, you are expressing concentration in molarity, unit of molarity is mole per liter, and time in second, then unit of rate will become mole per liter per second. If you express time in minute, unit will become mole per liter per minute. If you express time in hour, then mole per liter per hour. If you express concentration in atmosphere, then unit of rate will become atmosphere per second. So whatever it may be. Now let's take this one only, mole per liter per second. So unit of rate is mole per liter per second. That unit is also equal to unit of rate constant. So unit of rate constant for zero order reaction is mole per liter per second. Let's see what will be the unit of rate constant for first order reaction. You know that for first order reaction we can write rate law as rate equal to K, that is rate constant, into concentration of A to the power 1. Now K equal to rate by concentration of A. Take this A this side. Rate by concentration of A. You know that unit of rate is mole per liter per second. That is unit of rate is mole per liter per second. Just now I have told. And concentration is mole per liter. Unit of concentration. If you are expressing concentration in molarity, then its unit will be mole per liter. Now cancel these two, mole per liter, mole per liter. What is left? Only per second is left. K equal to per second. So for first order reaction, unit of rate constant is first per second. Remember this one. This is most commonly used unit because most of the reaction are first order reaction. Let's see what will be the unit of rate constant for second order reaction. For second order reaction, we can write rate law as rate equal to K, that is rate constant, into concentration of A to the power 2, or you can write rate equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B. Oh, see, its order is also 2. Its power is 1, its power is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Or you can write in terms of only one reactant with power 2. You can take this one or this one. Now I will take this one to find unit of rate constant. Now from this equation, K equal to rate by concentration of A into concentration of B. You know that unit of rate is mole per liter per second, and if you express this concentration in molarity, and then its unit will be mole per liter, and concentration of B, its unit will also be mole per liter. Now cancel the 1 mole per liter and this 1 mole per liter. What is left? Per second and mole per liter is left. So K equal to per second divided by mole per liter. Take this mole per liter upside. What will happen? Mole will become per mole. Per liter will become liter. Keep this per second as it is. Now just rewrite. Take this liter this side. Liter per mole per second. So what is the unit of rate constant for second order reaction? It is liter per mole per second. Let's see all these unit in a table. See, this is reaction, this is order, this is unit of rate constant. For zero order reaction, order is 0 and unit of rate constant is mole per liter per second. For first order reaction, order is 1, unit of rate constant is per second. For second order reaction, order is 2, unit of rate constant is liter per mole per second. Okay, remember all these units, these are very important.